Rate of reaction. Rate means speed. Speed. Rate makes speed or velocity. Rate of change of concentration of reactant or product in unit time. For example, if reactant A going to be convert product B, it will take some time interval. So A reactant, B product. If we take reactant at 5 mole, del is changes. B product at 0 minutes interval. So A reacted 5 mole, but product also 0 mole, because here reaction does not start. At 5 minute interval, so 1 mole of reactant A going to be decreased. So here we get 4. At the same time, product increase at the 1 mole. At 10 minutes interval. Again, A reactant going to be decreased. 1 mole decrease. So product 2 mole increase. At 15 minutes interval, reactant A going to be decreased 2 mole, and the product B going to increase at 3 mole. Again, 20 minutes interval, reactant A going to be increased at 1 mole, and the product going to be increased at 4 mole.